So first, you gotta locate the alternator, and right under it would be the pulley. Now, you want to find a wrench that's big enough to fit right here. Because what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to move the pulley. And it's gonna loosen it, and then it's gonna loosen the belt. Once it's loosened, because everything in the front is so much easier to do. Once it's loosened, just pop this one off, slide it off, or slide this one off, and you got the serpentine belt off, because you're gonna need to take it off first before taking the alternator. Just probably not the best angle, but I don't know where to set it up. I put it next to the battery. Hopefully it'll charge my phone too. Okay. I'll go down here. Maybe I can do it without anyone else. Just put it in there. There we go. Oh, my wrench is broken. Cheers. Now that you've loosened it, the serpentine belt can just easily be popped off. So go ahead and remove the serpentine belt. Once you remove it, you can now release the pulley. And I'm gonna just leave it like that, the serpentine belt, unless I need to move it. Well, let's get to the alternator. This is literally the perfect size for it. Let's get back to the alternator. This one up, take this one. Wrong battery, I don't know. That battery cold. Just like two, let's get going. See a better view. Just took out this one right here. Now I'm going for this one. Ouch. Since I didn't have a pry bar, I had got a jack that I don't use. Flattened it real quick. The jack is broken, so I don't really need this piece. But I had flattened it. This would be my new pry bar from now on. Anyways, here. So I need you to get all the angles. Look at it. So what I did was I got it from right here, and I just started hitting it, and it did some progress. And I'm just continue doing that because it's removing it from both sides. Now, what you want to be careful is not to do it too rough, where you hit this or that. What I did, because I don't want to mess with this hose, because man, you mess with this. What does this connect to? I think this is part of the AC. Man. You mess with this, I don't think you'd have AC or something. So what I did, because it's in here, I just pried it out a little bit. See. So now it's a little bit looser, so I don't have to worry about that. Now there is a wire behind the alternator that I will eventually have to take off, but let me take the alternator off first. So let's get under there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Off. Yep. All right, now let's get behind it. Let's see what's going on behind the alternator. Let's see. There's a lot of wires right here. I don't want to mess anything up. So let's see. So looks like just a little plug I have to take off. Actually not sure how one of these plugs work. Where's it at? It's connected to right there. Let me see. Oh, yep. Just see if I can just pop that right off. Let's see. Okay, let's do my fingers through here. No, I'm gonna need a screwdriver. My fingers are not going through that. I'm gonna get a flathead screwdriver real quick. Oh, this could probably work. Have one of these things. This might work. Not too much pressure. No, too not. Try and get it close. So I don't want my face being shown. Let's see. Yeah. And just like that, boom, that one's off. Easy. Now I have to take this one off. Oof, what is this one? All I know is the battery's still plugged in, so if I die, I die. It's pretty much take it off just like that. Now to put it on, muy fácil. Let me see. Now, let's see how I take this off. Oh, okay. So one of these. So let me go ahead and find that. Let's see. Actually, that's really loose. I can probably. What is this? The ground? I'm guessing. This is what I just took off. The other one just. And there you go. Alternator taken off just like that. May seem scary at first, but it's really easy. Alright, so I got the new alternator. Now, remember, plug it in first. It'll be a lot easier, trust me. So, let's get in behind here. That one's plugged in. This one, oh shit. So, I should have probably disconnected the battery, but it's, you know what, it's too late now, so, let's see. So, got the grounds. How do we do this one? This one. Shit. Don't want to disconnect the battery. Don't want to disconnect the ground, so if I get electrocuted, just know. My girlfriend's fault. What? See? So got that right there. So go ahead and connect it. Shit. So now just screw these in. Which one was it? A 12? I think, right? Yeah, 12. No, not a 12. Now just put these in, and then you're done with the alternator, just like that. Now, the most difficult part I had was getting this right here inside where it's supposed to, but all you had to do was just wiggle it around a bit and it's in there. After this one, that's the last one. Boom. Now let's gotta put the serpentine belt back on and then take it for a test drive. So, get your hand, put it under. Now I'm gonna loosen something, okay? And you can feel it can become a lot looser. But first you gotta get it from the top right here. All right? I'm gonna loosen it. Just put it on, okay? Let's see, right here. Put it on. Come on. Good. Ready? Everything connected? Up. Just like that.